severe thunderstorm warning for northern Dorchester County in southeastern Maryland until 8 p.m.
Oh, hello.
At 6:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Skipton to near Oxford to near Flag Harbor, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
Oh.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Northeastern Talbot County, expect damage to trees and power lines. Queen Anne's County, severe thunderstorms will be near Caroline Island around 7 p.m. until 8 p.m. University of Maryland Center for Environmental Studies severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Hazlettville to Eastleigh to St. Michael's, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Around 7:30 p.m. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Thunderstorms include
Pardon me. My God.
Wind damage to roof, plank, trees, and power lines is possible.
Excuse me. AKQ issues SVR. Southampton, Surrey, Sussex, Virginia, and I have right.
For the following county, Dorchester, Maryland, for your interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National Weather Service in Sterling, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Sussex County in southern Delaware, Kent County in central Delaware, northeastern Talbot County in eastern Maryland, southeastern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, Caroline County in eastern Maryland, until 8 p.m. At 6:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Hazlettville to Eastleigh to St. Michael's, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible.
Oh, we gotta continue SVR. Who does it for? Burlington, Mercer, Monmouth, and Ocean, till 7:15.
Camden, Federalsburg, Milton, Bridgeville, Greensboro, Oakland, Ridgely, Glendale, Bowers, Goldsboro, Queen Anne, and Wood. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Sussex, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Queen Anne's, and Talbot.
Marine.
National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay, coastal waters from Cape May, New Jersey to Cape Henlopen, Delaware out 20 nautical miles until 9 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., an outflow boundary was located along a line extending from near Cross Ledge Light to 10 nautical miles southwest of Bowers Beach to 11 nautical miles east of Miles River, moving east at 35 knots. The outflow boundary will be followed by a line of strong thunderstorms. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Brown Shoal Light, 14-foot Bank Light, Slaughter Beach, Cape Henlopen, East Point, Bowers Beach, Woodland Beach, Myamall Light, Ship John Shoal Light, Brandywine Shoal Light, Fortesk Beach, Sea Breeze, and Cross Ledge Light. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. For the following areas, Delaware Bay waters north.